Good morning, I am Bharat and you are watching Hot Topic. Today's topic is the all-important NFP announcement due out in just a few hours. Trading the news can be a thrilling and sometimes a scary ride, but with a good risk management strategy in place, it also offers fantastic opportunities, and you know there's nothing like the rush of being on the right side of the trade. Today is such an opportunity with the release of the non-farm payroll data out of the US. Arguably, this is the biggest global market moving announcement of all economic indicators and one eagerly anticipated by not only fundamental but also technical traders. Briefly speaking, the NFP measures the number of people employed during the previous month, not taking into account the farming industry, government employees, private households and non-profit organizations. What makes it important is that it is a key indicator to consumer spending, which accounts for the majority of economic activity. The data is released at 1300 GMT on the first Friday of each month, unless it's a public holiday, in which case it's usually the day before. This week's expected number is 217,000. Now, what's important to remember is that it doesn't matter too much whether the actual number is positive or negative for the US economy, but whether it is significantly different from the expected number. The higher the expected reading may be considered bullish for the US dollar, and lower one may be considered bearish. Leading up to and during the release, we see some most volatile trading of the month. This is why many traders choose to close their open positions beforehand or not to enter the market at all. However, those with enough cool and risk management in place take the opportunity by the horns. There are two great advantages easy-forex offers traders during the NFP: fixed spreads and guaranteed stop loss. Let's see how these may benefit you. Fixed spreads mean that the spreads you pay doesn't change with the market. Others offer variable spreads that may give you a very low spread when the markets are quiet, but as soon as any interesting volatility comes along, they widen the spreads considerably. Very frustrating. With a fixed spread, you always know the cost of your trade and can factor that in from the very beginning. One of the smartest risk management approaches is to put stop losses in place. This way, you never lose more than you are prepared to. As with the volatile markets, slippage may occur, and if you don't have stop loss in place, you may see a lot more balance wiped out than you could have imagined. easy-forex guarantees your stop loss, and uniquely amongst other brokers, we don't charge you for this. This has been a brief look into trading the NFP. To read more awesome NFP trading strategies, visit forex.info. How will you trade the NFP? What do you think the number will be? Comment below and let us know your thoughts. I am Bharat and you have been watching The Hot Topic.